Hello friends, welcome back to CAD practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to new, take standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch. We will start from the top plane, so this will be the exit plane. Rotate the view. Here take the rectangle command and take 2-point rectangle. Make a rectangle profile. Go to dimension. Here we will define this dimension as 80 mm. Okay, and from this center point this will be at a distance of 65 mm. Okay, now here escape, we will go to the fillet command. Okay, here we will go to fillet command. We will take a fillet radius of 40 mm, which will be half of 80. Select this and select this, similarly select this and select this. Okay, and escape. Now we will define this distance, this center from here. Go to dimension. The center from this total center will be 45 mm. Okay, now go to horizontal constraint, select this center point and select this center point. Now you can see this is fully constrained sketch. Now finish sketch. Okay, and here take extrude command. Here we will take extrude of 70 mm. This will be a single side extrude and press OK. Now select this top face, go to create sketch, rotate the view, go to project geometry and project this face. Okay, now here take the offset command and we will select this complete profile and we will drag the cursor inside and give offset of 10 mm and enter. Okay, escape. So this will be the offset profile. Finish sketch, take extrude command, select this inner profile and here we'll take the cut profile. This will be a through cut. We have taken 70 mm this side also and press OK. Okay, when I rotate this you can see it is a through cut profile. Okay, now here go to home, select the fillet command and take here a fillet radius of 15 mm. Go to edge selection, select this edge and select this edge. Apply. We will remain in the fillet command and take the radius here as 5 mm. Go to edge selection, select the inner edges now. Select this inner edge and select this inner edge. Okay, and press OK. So this will be the profile. Now here I want a profile from the bottom. So I'll rotate this profile, select this bottom face, go to create sketch. Here take the line command and here I'll make one line here and one straight line here. Okay, and escape. Now here you can see this is a straight line and this is having a wrinkles, so it is not straight. So go to vertical constraint. Here select this line. Now you can see this is a straight line. Escape. Now here go to dimension and the dimension, select this circular profile, so it will select the center and select this line. Here you can see the center has been selected. Okay, and we will give a distance here 10 mm. Okay, and here we will take a distance of 35 mm from outer. Okay, now here go to project geometry, project this and project this. Now escape. So this will become a closed profile. Now we will see if any of the line is moving. Okay, this line is moving, it will not generate the closed profile then. Okay, this is also moving, so we'll constrain it by placing on this line. Now you can see this is not moving. Okay, select this line, make it construction, finish sketch. Now go to extrude command. Now we have three profiles, first, second and third. Select this profile and here flip the direction and here the extrude will be of 25 mm. Okay, this will be a joining profile and press OK. So this will look like this. Now go to extrude 3, select sketch 3. Here we will turn on the visibility. As we can share the sketches, go to extrude. Now this time we will select this, okay, and here flip the direction, and I'll take here an extrude of 15 mm. This will also be a joining profile, and press OK. Okay, now select sketch 3 and we will turn off the visibility from here. So this will be the output. Okay, now here rotate this. Okay, now go to origin, and here we'll select the XY plane. Go to create sketch. Here we will take circle command, and at center I'll make a circle of diameter 40. As you are unable to see the profile, when I rotate to home, you can see the profile is being made at center. Go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Okay, go to front. Now you are able to see the profile. Okay, go to sketch. Here take the vertical constraint, select this center point and select the center. Now go to dimension, select this circle and select this base. Here the dimension will be of 35 mm. Okay, finish sketch, go to extrude. Here we'll take symmetric extrude, and here we will take distance, and the distance will be 80 mm. So this will be till the outer face. Okay, go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. Now you can see the profile. This will be also a joining profile, and press OK. Okay, now here rotate the view to top, select this face, go to create sketch. Here take the circle command, and we are going to construct one circle here of diameter 20. From same center point, make diameter 10. Enter. Go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Okay, go to sketch, take the line command, make one line here, one line like this, and one line like this. Okay, go to dimension. Here select this and select this curve profile. So it will select the center. Okay, from center the distance here will be of 15 mm. Okay, so it will shift inside. So you can see this is the center point of this arc. Okay, now here go to the horizontal constraint, select this center point and select this center point. Okay, now here we'll define the other dimensions. Go to dimension, define this distance from the center as 20 mm. Okay, and escape. Now go to the tangent constraint, select this line, select this circle, select this line, select this circle. Okay, it is already tangent. Escape. Now here we'll see what else we can do. Okay, you can see this is rotating or moving in any of the direction. So I'll select this line, and here I'll select horizontal constraint. So it will make it a horizontal. Escape. Now finish sketch. Go to 3D model, take extrude, select this profile, go to top view. Here you can see it is going outside. Okay, here I'll define the distance of extrude as 15 mm. Okay, it is a joining profile, and press OK. Go to view, visual style, make it shaded with edges. Okay, so this will be the inner profile. Okay, so the next what we are going to do is, okay, we are going to make a through profile of this also. As you can see, this is a close profile from here. So I'll use the sketch here, extrude 6, sketch 5, turn on the visibility. Go to 3D model, take extrude, select the dia inside, flip the direction, and here it will change to cut, and here we will take all, and press OK. So this will be a through cut. Go to home view, select the sketch 5 and turn off the visibility. Now go to the XY plane, go to create sketch. Now we are going to make the backside profile. Okay, Here take the circle command, and here, okay, first we can make the top profile. So I'll select sketch 6. So I've selected the sketch 6. Now I want this sketch to be at the bottom face. So select sketch 6 once again, right click, and here I'll click on redefine. Okay, rotate the view, and I'll select this bottom face. So the sketch will start from this bottom face. Double click sketch 6. Okay, and here take the line command, make one straight line from this center and one here. Okay, and join one here and escape. Okay, now here we'll take the fillet command, take fillet here, and take here a fillet radius of 15 mm. Okay, go to fillet once again, 15 mm, select this and select this, exit. Now go to dimension, and here from this face, this center will be at a distance of 15 mm. Okay, and select this point and select this point. This distance here will be of 40 mm. Enter. Okay, so this is defined. Now take the line command, from the center point make a straight line, escape, select this line, make it construction. Now we'll take the mirror command. Okay, we'll select here the mirror, select this complete profile, go to mirror line, select the center line, apply, and done. Finish sketch. Take the extrude command, select this profile, flip the direction. Here we will taking 15 mm extrude. The joining profile, go to home and press OK. Okay, so this will be the output. Now as we have completed till here, now we are going to make the back profile, which I was already saying you. Go to part 1. We have completed till here. Okay, and constructed these inner profiles as well. Now we are going to construct this tail profile. Go to the part. Now here select the XY plane, go to create sketch. Here take the circle command, and here take one circle. Here we will take a circle of diameter 40. Go to line command. From this top end make one line here, and from this bottom make one large joining profile here. Go to dimension. From this edge, this will be at a distance of 45 mm. Okay, and select this and select this base. This distance here will be 75 mm. Okay, now go to tangent constraint, select this line, select this circle, select this line, and select this circle. Now it is fully defined. Go to line command and make a joining line here. Okay, now finish sketch. Take the extrude command, select both the profiles, and here we'll take symmetric and give a distance here of 40 mm. This will be a joining profile, and press OK. Now we'll utilize the same sketch which we have made. Go to extrude 9, select sketch 7, turn on the visibility, go to extrude. This time we are going to select only the circle profile. Here we will take symmetric and take here distance of 50 mm and press OK. Now you can see this is 5 mm this side, 5 mm this side, been extruded extra. Now we want a cut inside. So for the cut, go to extrude, select the complete profile this time, take symmetric, and here we will take cut of 20 mm. Okay, and press OK. Okay, there is some error I think. Okay, go to extrude. Here we will select the center profile. Select this. Okay, take symmetric, and okay, here we will take cut. Okay, so you can see a red profile over here, and press OK. So this will be cut from the center. Now here I'll select the sketch 7, turn off the visibility, select this face, go to create sketch, and here go to circle command. From the center, I'll make here a circle of dia 20, finish sketch, take extrude, select this 20 dia, flip the direction, this will be a cut profile, and here I'll define all. So this will be a through cut. Press OK. Now I'll select this face, go to create sketch, and here go to the circle command. When I drag the cursor on this, you can find a circle profile which has been made inside. I'll select the center, make a circle of dia 20. Okay, finish sketch. Here take the extrude command, select this profile, flip the direction to cut, and here also we'll take all. So this also will be a through cut. Press OK. Now here we want circle profiles or whole profiles over here. Select this face, go to create sketch, take the point command, and when I drag the cursor, select the center point. Similarly here, select the center point. Finish sketch. Here take the hole command, and hole we will take hole type as simple hole, and the seat here will be counter hole. The top dia here will be of 20 mm, and the depth here will be of 5 mm, and the bottom dia will be of 10 mm. Okay, you can see the profile and press OK. So this will be the cut profile. Okay, now we will define the appearance. Here I'll take the magenta color and I'll type, and we'll see the magenta. So this will be the final output. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct the complex part models in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.